Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. So, in the last classes, we discussed and completed the topics of statistical plots and the categorical plots. Okay, friends, and the linear plots, those three classification of plots we had completed. And we at last come to the stage of last category, last classification of plots called distribution plots. See, the distribution plots are used to plot the distribution, the data distributed, how the data is distributed. Okay, so in this distribution plots, the plots are subdivided into further two classifications. One is univariate distribution plots and the other is bivariate distribution plots, friends. Okay, what is univariate, what is bivariate, I will explain. So univariate means the name itself indicates that it is only one the data set is which we are going to give is only one column. So the data consisting in that only one column will vary. Okay, so we are considering only one column data. In that column, how data is distributed, we are going to plot that aspect, friends. Okay, one numerical variable. So the condition should be for the distribution plots to plot the distribution, the data should be numerical, friends. Okay, for categorical variable it doesn't make sense, the distribution plots. Okay, so one numerical variable plot. Okay, so this univariate distribution plots, under these plots we have 1 and 2. The first one is dist plot and the second one is histogram. And the other classification is bivariate distribution plot, friends. In this bivariate means we will take the two columns data. So both two columns should be two numerical variables, friends. That means the column should have numerical data in that. Okay, so under this category we have joint plot and pair plot. We already saw in the last classes about the joint plot and pair plot. Okay, so let us discuss in this section also. It comes up because it falls in the bivariate distribution plots also, these two plots. So let us discuss each and every plot detailedly from the next class, friends. So till then, bye bye. It's Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.